All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. A bit, a bit, a bit. Just a small amount. A bit. I have a bit of cake left. Do you want a bit of tea? A bit of tea, perhaps? Tea? A bit of tea? Yeah. I have a bit of time left. Just a little bit of time left. I just want a bit of tea. Just a bit of tea. They will get a bit of cake soon. Yes. I want a bit of chocolate, please. They need a bit of time to do the job. They need a bit more time. A bit more time. She needs a bit more, anything. Time, sugar, tea, water. A bit more water for the plants. He does not want a bit of tea, but coffee instead. He does not want a bit of tea, he wants coffee instead. Makes sense. Yeah. It is just a bit of water, don't worry. Just water, don't worry. How cool is that? So, they had a bit too much cement. Yeah. They had a bit too much water in the cement, for example, and it came out wrong. Yeah. They used a bit too much. Next time they should use a bit less. A bit too much and a bit less. A little bit less. Yeah. I'm looking for a bit more water. Makes sense. Yeah. They need a bit more sunshine, like today, to enjoy their day. Yeah, enjoy their day, yeah. How cool is that? We just need a bit more time. They think they need a bit more time, but I think they have enough already. Yeah, a bit of time, a bit of tea, a bit of water, a bit of cake, a bit of anything, a bit of rice. Yeah, something uncountable. You wouldn't say a bit of book. Accountable. A bit of book doesn't make sense. A bit of rice, a bit of oil. Yeah, a bit of time, water, sand. A bit of paper. A little. Do you have a little bit of paper? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, a bit. Now, can you use bit in a sentence? Comment below with the sentence and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.